If the price of Personal Brand Creator Pro has kept you from instantly improving your personal brand on social media,
hold it, one more step and we're walking.
I've made a brand new mini course condensing our 300 plus video course into a jam-packed starter course. In this 3-hour starter course, you'll learn how to define your archetype on social media, how to perfect your snapshot to instantly impress your target demographic, the basics of how to master photography, how to find high status exclusive venues, basics to mastering photo editing, and also videography, how to produce your own trending short form content, my step-by-step formula of how to broadcast your message, how to grow your brand and actually get real targeted followers, my high status networking master formula, my guide to throwing container events, and also my 10 secrets to 10x your social status on social media with just 9 photos. And on top of all the jam-packed education, I'm also throwing in my custom presets that will transform your photos with literally one click, my keyboard shortcuts to speed up your editing process, my snapshot checklist to make sure your profile is completely optimized, my photo shoot checklist, the prerequisites you need to throw a successful photo shoot, even if you don't have any venues or know any photographers or models. My social circle map blueprint, this education derived from over a decade of shooting and editing thousands of videos and photos for my clients' brands like Maxim, Connected Cannabis, Tau Group, Black Tape Project, Wish, and many more. Coupled with these bonus assets, if applied, can help you instantly build your personal brand, 10x your status on social media, and also land personal branding clients for yourself, and turn a love for content generation into an extra income or even a full-time business. Students that have taken this starter course have claimed that they learned more in this 3-hour starter course than they did at a semester at PR school or film school. But no, we're not going to charge you thousands of dollars like college would. You can join today for just $27. So click below, get signed up, get instant access to everything, apply what you learn, and see immediate improvements in your personal brand overnight or your money back. We'll see you inside.